Hi, I am Sunny and I'm going to explain GSTR1, GSTR2B and GSTR3B returns and will take you on a step-by-step tour on how to file your GST return. So let's begin. The first one is GSTR1. GSTR1 is a statement of outward supplies made by the taxpayers which is filed on quarterly basis by QRMP taxpayers, on monthly basis by other taxpayers. Every registered person is required to file GSTR1 whether there are any supplies during the period or not. All taxpayers other than QRMP taxpayers must file GSTR1 every month on or before 11th of the month. QRMP taxpayers have an option to file quarterly GSTR1 by the 13th of the month following the relevant quarter, with an option to file details of monthly outward supplies by availing invoice furnishing facility. So, let us file GSTR1 on the GST portal. It is important to note that it is mandatory to file all previous GSTR1 before filing GSTR1 for the current tax period. Log in to the GST portal and navigate to the Return dashboard. Enter the B2B and B2C details of outward supplies along with amendments and credit or debit notes in the respective tables. A facility to populate e-way bills details is also provided in GSTR1. E-invoice data is automatically populated in GSTR1. QRMP taxpayers have an option to avail Invoice Furnishing Facility (IFF) for non-quarterly months till 13th of the next month. The details filed in IFF are auto-populated in quarterly GSTR1. After filing of GSTR1, all recipients of supplies will get a system-generated form GSTR2B on 14th of the month in their return dashboard, which is an auto-drafted ITC or Input Tax Credit Statement. GSTR2B provides the details of available and non-available ITC to the respective recipients, along with summary and detailed counterparty invoices. GSTR2B includes all the B2B information or documents filed by corresponding suppliers in their monthly or quarterly GSTR1 or IFF. GSTR2B includes information filed by the corresponding non-resident taxpayers in their GSTR5 and corresponding input service distributors in their GSTR6. It also includes information of ITC of IGST paid on import of goods from iSkate. In case GSTR2B is not generated by the end of 14th, a ticket can be raised at selfservice.gstsystems.in to get the issue resolved. After receiving an ITC statement in GSTR2B, an auto-populated GSTR3B return will be available on the dashboard. GSTR3B is a consolidated summary available of all outward supplies and input tax credit in a particular month or quarter. Important points to note in GSTR3B are: GSTR3B is filed on quarterly basis by QRMP taxpayers, on monthly basis by other taxpayers. GSTR3B can only be filed after filing GSTR1 for the corresponding tax period. Outward tax liability is auto-populated from GSTR1. Input tax credit is auto-populated from GSTR2B. On the basis of the above, payment of tax is to be made while filing GSTR3B. Please remember, if you have not filed your return in time, late fee and interest will be levied. Any late fee and interest, if levied, are auto-calculated in your next GSTR3B. In case of nil transaction during the tax period, nil return is to be filed. GSTR1 nil return can easily be filed on GST portal by simply selecting File Nil GSTR1 checkbox available in GSTR1 dashboard. Facility of nil filing of return is also available through SMS. For filing nil GSTR1 through SMS, the user must send a text message or SMS to 14409 from the registered mobile number by typing nil space R1 space 15-digit GST registration number space tax period in MMYYYY format. A 6-digit verification code will be received. Confirm the filing by sending another SMS as follows: CNF space R1 space 6-digit verification code. A confirmation message with ARN number will be received, which indicates that the nil GSTR1 has been filed successfully. For filing nil GSTR3B through SMS, the user must send a text message or SMS to 14409 from the registered mobile number by typing nil space 3B space 15-digit GST registration number space tax period in MMYYYY format. A 6-digit verification code will be received. Confirm the filing by sending another SMS as follows: CNF space 3B space 6-digit verification code. A confirmation message with ARN number will be received, which indicates that the nil GSTR3B has been filed successfully. Please remember, timely and correct data entry in your returns leads to correct and timely return filing, which means zero penalty and smooth availability of ITC.